YouTube. Today I will be reviewing the 3 Winx Club 2 Winx Club Bloom and Flora Charmix doll and Stella's Magic Fashionista dress and Charmix outfit in 2 in 1. Okay, first I'll review Stella's. She's with 2 pigtails. She gets shoes sort of like this one. She's missing her shoes. And it's 2 in 1. The skirt comes right off, and then there you can see her Charmix outfit right there. It's a top that bit swings down and shorts. Okay. Next we have Bloom. She comes with beautiful wings, a skirt and a top, and the fairy magic thing is there. She comes like shoes with this, but again, her shoes are missing. And she usually has a crown on the head that's missing too. And she's very pretty. Her name Bloom. And she can bend, they can all bend their arms. Yeah. This is Flora's shoe, and the clothes come off and on and stuff like normal doll. This is Flora, her hair all over, so that's how it comes with. She comes with a gorgeous outfit and beautiful sparkling wings. They sparkle in the sunlight. And 2 earrings. And the magic flowers thing. Flora, nature's flower show. And the shoe goes right on. She's got 1 shoe but missing a shoe. Bye YouTube. Subscribe for more reviews and episodes of my Paradise Island and more.